What's up guys, this is Rishi. You are watching me on YouTube. Guys, when YouTubers are content creators earning crosses $10 threshold, Google starts a formal communication with the content creators. Google actually wants to know your real identity. For example, which part of the world you are in what country you belongs to, or what is your current postal address. The question is why Google needs these information. That is because Google actually value your content and recognize you as a asset for the Google company and wants to pay for the content you create as a blogger per Google platform or you create video per the YouTube platform. So guys, in this video, I am going to show you a step-by-step process how you can provide your verification documents to the Google. So guys, Google basically accept three different type of verification documents for most of the Asian countries. The first one is the international passport and the second one is the Adhar card or NIC card, which is national identification card, and the third one is the driving license. I am going to use in this tutorial my passport verification document. So what ID you have, you must use that one. So guys, before submitting my documents, I would like to clarify one more thing. That is, guys, Google allow you only limited attempts to register or provide your verification documents. So be careful to provide your verification documents properly. So guys, before submitting documents, I want to clarify one more thing to you guys, that you must verify your biodata on your Gmail profile with the verification documents. I've seen most of the people who create YouTube channel with different name than the original name. It's like my name is Rashid and my YouTube channel name is Technical Rishi, and Google automatically changed my Google profile name back to Technical Rishi. So you must change your name back to your original name before submitting your verification documents. This does not change your YouTube channel name. Your YouTube channel name remains the same. So guys, this is the first thing. The second thing, you make sure that the date of birth on your Gmail profile must matches with the verification documents date of birth. So guys, these are the two things I believe every content creator make sure before submitting verification documents. So guys, now I'm taking you to my desktop and show you all the process that how you can provide your verification documents. So guys, first thing first, I'm going to open that email which Google sent to me. So I'm going to click this link and which redirect me to a location where I can provide my verification documents. So guys, all the biodata is good to go. My name and my Gmail ID and my all things are good to go. Date of birth, all etc. are good to go with this all the process. So I am going to provide my verification documents. So I am going to use my passport copy. So I am going to pick that one. So guys, I provided my verification document and now I supposed to click this button to further proceed. So guys, I am done with this. So guys, now I'm waiting for the email reply from Google whether my verification documents is accepted or rejected. So guys, there is the possibility of rejections. That is because I've seen most of the people who take a snapshot of their verification documents from their mobile phone camera. So guys, I strongly recommend you, please use a professional scanner to scan your verification documents to save yourself for registration headache. So guys, here is the email I just got from Google in couple of minutes, which is congratulating me that my verification document is accepted. So guys, this is a done deal. So guys, if you find this video knowledgeable, please like this video so other people can get benefit from this video. So guys, if you are new on this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss my knowledgeable video. So guys, if you are interested in blogging, I am going to start a blogging course from beginner to advanced level. So you can subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so you never miss those knowledgeable videos. Last but not the least, so guys, weather is very cold outside, so keep yourself safe. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much.